So guys, the Spider-Man No Way Home trailer is out now and I'm super excited to watch the real movie. So just, with that being said, as always, I'm back with another really cool, awesome, amazing Spider-Man web shooter build. And here, as you can see, as always, I've just constructed a rough, base, which I'll later be modifying. If you want the links to the, dimensions, you can surely comment down below. I'll be more than happy to provide them. Here, as you can see, we have the bullet, and now I'm just opening an AirPod. Yes guys, you heard right, I'm opening this AirPod for the magnet, because the magnet in here is very strong and it'll be perfect for the size, and also for the bullet, so that when it shoots out from the web shooter, it can attract magnets and iron and stuff like that. So it will just stick to that, just like the real spider web. Now after that, now let's take it and mount it on to the bullet. You can surely use this trick with your projects as well in order to find small magnets. Next, I'll just take this, super glue it on firmly. Actually guys, with that taken out, I may also take this battery because of its form factor, and I may actually use it to power the LEDs in this web shooter. But and guys, this is simply a simple launching mechanism. Now guys, let me quickly explain all the components so that you can easily imitate this if you want. So this, as you can see, is the magnetic cartridge, and this right here is a like simple rubber band that will get pulled back, and this part basically is kind of like a tube where the cartridge would slide back, and rest it will shoot out the web. So guys, I've applied the rubber glue on both the sides. I really don't know if that's a good or a bad idea, because surely it has reacted with the paint, the black paint, and as you can see right there, also it causes a really irritating smell. But guys, yeah, let's see, and then I'll just apply this and I'll get this. Right here is the LED mechanism. There's a really tiny magnet that when you slide acts as a conductive piece between the battery and the LED. So that's a really clever design there. And so guys, everything right here is magnetic and just snaps on. Pretty cool, huh? So guys, I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.